So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy physical gold inside of your TFSA account here on Wealthsimple. But if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll just go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. If you use this referral link when signing up, you guys get a bit of money when signing up, so do I, and you also get entered into a chance to win in a $1,000,000+ home, so that's pretty cool there. But to buy gold inside of your physical gold inside of your TFSA, go to the bottom left and press on the search icon. Then go to the search bar here and just type in gold. So under commodities right here, physically backed gold, press on that. Now, once you guys are here, I want you to go to the bottom left and select an account. So in this case, if you want to purchase physical gold inside of your TFSA, press on your TFSA and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. Now, once you guys are here, you can go ahead and type in the amount or the ounces. So for example, if you wanted to just invest $10, that'll be how many ounces. If you wanted to do ounces, you can buy 1 ounce for about $5,000. But I think for most of us here, you do want to do a fractional buy. So I'll just use $10 as an example, and then I'll press on review. So once you guys are here, it'll go ahead and show you guys kind of the review of your order. It'll also make sure that you're buying gold, physical gold, in this case, inside of your TFSA account. So if you want to go ahead and submit, press submit at the bottom, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy physical gold inside of your TFSA on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.